Hello, this is Flights in Asia, and in this video, we'll be heading to China where Airbus will be expanding its assembly line of aircraft in the country. This move further solidifies Airbus's position in an important market for the major aircraft manufacturers. The expansion of Airbus's assembly line in China is part of a series of agreements between Airbus and its China-based partners. Signed during a recent state visit and attended by dignitaries from both sides, the first of these agreements is a general terms of agreement with China Aviation Supplies Holdings Company for a previously announced order for 160 aircraft, including 150 Airbus A320 family of aircraft along with 10 A350-900 wide-body aircraft. The second agreement is related to sustainable aviation fuels, which will see the further collaboration between China National Aviation Fuel Group and the European aircraft manufacturer. So now we get to the third agreement, which is the topic of this video. The agreement to expand Airbus's assembly operations of aircraft in the country of China will result in expansion of Airbus's Tianjin Final Assembly Line, FAL Asia, in Tianjin, China, a facility that primarily assembles Airbus A320 family of aircraft. This agreement will see an expanded collaboration also with Airbus's China-based assembly line partners, Tianjin Free Trade Zone Investment Company, and Aviation Industry Corporation of China. Already with one line for A320 production, another line will be added to help Airbus increase its overall rate objective of producing A320 aircraft to 75 per month in 2026. This will be an increase by 30 aircraft produced at Airbus's 4 facilities that are dedicated for A320 production. Along with the Tianjin-based facility, Airbus also does have production facilities for the A320 family of aircraft in Toulouse, France, the main headquarters, Hamburg, Germany, and Mobile, Alabama. Currently at the Tianjin-based facility, 4 aircraft are produced per month, and like all the other facilities, parts are shipped primarily from Europe for the final assembly and delivery. As mentioned before, this will deepen the ties of Airbus and its China-based partners, especially in aircraft manufacturing. This will be the biggest expansion of the FAL Asia facility, which first opened in 2008, and of the 4 facilities mentioned that produces A320 aircraft, this was the first open outside of Europe. Since its opening, the FAL Asia facility has assembled over 600 A320 family of aircraft, and recently it has started producing A321neos. The first of the A321neos produced at the FAL Asia facility was recently delivered to Junyao Air. Since its opening, the FAL Asia facility has deepened the ties between Airbus and China in a very important market for aircraft manufacturing. Long in a constant rivalry between itself and its American counterpart Boeing, Airbus is looking to gain a further edge, especially with Boeing's recent struggles. In China, Airbus aircraft accounts for 50% of the aircraft in the market. This accounts for the around 2,100 Airbus aircraft active with China-based airlines. This relationship stems from a long history of Airbus's presence in China, which was highlighted by Airbus CEO Guillaume Faury, who said, quote, "We are honored to continue our long-standing cooperation by supporting China's civil aviation growth with our leading families of aircraft. It underpins the positive recovery momentum and prosperous outlook for the Chinese aviation market and the desire to grow sustainably with Airbus's latest generation eco-efficient aircraft." Faury further acknowledged Airbus's partners in China, saying, "Airbus values its partnership with the Chinese aviation stakeholders, and we feel privileged to remain a partner of choice in shaping the future of civil aviation in China." Beyond expanding its presence in China and its constant struggle for aircraft orders between itself and Boeing, with geopolitics between China and both the US and Europe also a major factor in these decisions. I definitely hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been Flights in Asia, highlighting the news and updates from the aviation and travel scene in the Asia Pacific. For more of the latest updates, you can check out the website at www.flightsinasia.com. In the meantime, thank you for watching and have a great day.